Hey, hi everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to add additional columns or customize some additional columns in the process open item screen if you want to clear a GL item. So when I talk about the process open item screen, what I mean is if you want to clear a GL item, we go to F-03. So let's just directly move on to F-03 and I will tell you practically as to what we can do or what we need to do. Okay, so when you go to F-03, basically if you want to clear an open item, so what you do is you just put in the account number over here and you put in the date and also the company code, and then you click on the process open item so that you can directly go and check which open items needs to be cleared. That can be cleared through document number, through posting date and so on. So usually when you go to this process open item screen, what you find is this is the screen which you get because you have these document numbers which are open, then you have the posting keys, you have the document type, you have the document date, and you also have the amount which needs to be cleared. This is the usual default screen which is present in the system, but there is a ask from client. Now the client wants that they don't want all this stuff. What they need is the document number, or they need the business area to be present over here in these columns. Then how to do that? So to do that, you need to make a change in the layout option, and not particularly a layout but the line layout. You need to define the variant. So how to do that? You just go to the settings option over there and go to the change line layout. Once you go to the change line layout option, you need to create a new layout. Now when you go to the new when you click on this, it will ask to give the name and the description. So let me just give some name. I'll give the name AV, and let me give the description AV line layout. Okay, and I will just click on OK. So once I do this, I will get a screen wherein now I can choose my own fields to appear on that particular screen. So how to do that? I will just go to insert after. Once I click on insert after, I will get different types of options present over here. So you can see, let me just move on to the next page. There are many options like say business area. So let's choose the business area option. It should be present. Again, I will go to insert after. What else I need? Let's say I need the document number. So let me just search where the document number is. Okay, here is the document number. I will check the document number as well. Any other item if I need, I can also take that. Let's go to again insert after, and what else we can take? Let's say if you want cost center, so it's cost center present over there. So here's the cost center. We'll just take this. So I have defined my own columns which I need over there instead of the default SAP columns, and I will just click on save. Once I click on save, it will ask me to save the customizing request. I will just save it. Now this is saved, and I will close this. Now I will just come back. Okay, I will come back. I will move back. Now at this particular screen, what you need to do now, what I will do is I will go to the settings option and I will go to editing options. Okay, once I go to the editing options, in the open items tab, I have the option within the GL account to select the layout. Now the layout I created was AV, so I will put an AV over here. I'll put its enter, and then I will save this. So now I have chosen my own line layout to give a customized view to the client to process the open items. Okay, so it is saving, taking a bit. So now it is saved. Okay, and I will just go back. Okay, let me just re-enter through F-03. The GL was 100500, and I will now go to process open items. Okay, once I click on process open items, now you can see the entire screen has changed. Earlier it was showing you document date, document number, document type, posting date and so on, but now we have customized the dates, customized the columns. We have shown business area, cost center. Now the cost center was not filled when the entry was made, that's why it is blank, and you have the document number, you have the invoice amount. So this is the way you can have you can present a customized solution to the client. Hope you like the tip. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, just mention in the comments. Share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.